Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make a fake panning effect or speed motion, not a simple one, but with perspective. Stay with me and I'll show you. I picked this image from Kirkgoz.com, link in the description, and the first thing is to separate the moving object, in our case the car, from the background. Let's duplicate the layer with Ctrl Command J, and you can select the car with object selection tool or quick selection tool. I prefer to select it manually with pen tool, and we'll increase the speed a little bit because it's boring. Okay, now we have the selection, and let's with Ctrl Command J to copy only the car in the new layer. Now we have to remove the car from the background layer. Let's name it background and this car. Okay, let's select only the car, go to the background layer. Let's expand the selection a little bit. Select, modify, expand. That is good. Okay, now go to edit, content aware fill, and click OK. Good. Deselect with Ctrl Command D. Let's merge these two layers. Okay, let's convert these two layers to smart filters. Okay. Good. Now let's make a speed motion. Most of you will go to filter, blur and motion blur. But let's make it with blur gallery, path blur. Now we have the first direction, but how to make the motion blur with perspective? We need a more than one direction. Let's place the first direction, maybe something like this. Make a second one, maybe something like this. The third one. And the fourth one. Okay, I think it's good. Now we have the speed motion with perspective. Let's increase the speed, maybe around 250. Okay. But as we know, when we move, the further objects are less blur than the closer one. How to make it? Click on the one of direction and check edit blur shapes. Now you have to see these two red arrows. Click on the left one and make it 0 pixels. On the right one, maybe around 300. It's okay. Let's make the same with the other three directions. Here 300. Here 0. 300. 0 and the last one 300. Okay. Now we have less motion blur on the further objects than the closer one. Let's click OK. Maybe you think we are done, but not already. Let's zoom a little bit, and as we see, the car is way more grainy than the background. Let's return to the blur gallery, go to noise, and let's add some noise. Play with the sliders to make it closer to the car. Okay. Now it's way better. It looks fantastic, but what we forget, of course, we have to make the wheels spinning. Go to the car layer and go to filter, blur gallery, spin blur. Grab the circle and put it on the wheel. Make the circle the same size. Okay. And make around 70 is good enough. Let's make another circle for the rear wheel. Okay. Let's see the result. And I think it's good. Let's see before and after. Okay, what we can do to look even more realistic? Of course, we can add the speed motion on the car. Let's return to the blur gallery on the car layer. Go to path blur and let's add direction, but opposite direction, only on the car. I think 2 direction will be enough. And let's click on the right arrow and make 0. Also here. On the left, around maybe 50 or 70. No, I think 50 is good. Okay. And let's see. Now we have a little speed motion on the rear of the car. Let's see before and after. I think we're ready. Of course, you can always make some more adjustment with the colors or shadows and as you wish. But the tutorial is only for the speed motion and this is how I do it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe with the bell for more videos and see you soon.